Welcome to my channel. I'm Judy Love, and for those who do not know who I am, this channel typically focuses on home decor, but also just lifestyle content in general. And I want you guys to have a storyline view to my life. And one of the biggest things that I have going on right now is home decor and really getting into that love that I've always had for it. I'm really excited to show you guys what everything looks like. But before I do that, I just want to give a special thanks to everyone that has been tuning into my channel and watching all my videos. I tremendously appreciate the support and appreciate the wonderful, kind comments that you have left under each one of my videos. So definitely continue to support me and continue to watch all the videos that I post every Sunday at 4 p.m. Also, shout out to all the new subscribers that have come to my channel. I'm ecstatic. I am glad that this is reaching new screens and new places. So I definitely strongly appreciate all of you guys, and let's get to triple digits, right? So continue to like and subscribe to my channel and share my content so the YouTube algorithm can definitely push my video to other people's screens so they can tune in as well and get to see all these amazing things that I have in store in terms of home decor and you guys just getting a ride into my life, right? So just everything lifestyle related.
I know that table is brown, but I'm going to paint it. That will be another video. That'll be another video, but that's gonna get painted. It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night beneath the mistletoe. It's cold outside, 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 outside. It's cold outside, outside, outside. Cold outside,
Got home from work and I want to show you guys the table in black. The brown was okay, but the black, I'll let you see for yourself. Look at that. Look at that. Look how elevated that looks. What? That looks like a piece, like this looks like something that I may have gotten from like West Elm or like Article. You know, and a lot of furniture right now from those like top names, Our House and everything like that, like they have pieces where there's some cane webbing and it's like real wood, and that could cost you thousands of dollars. I got this nesting table from Amazon for less than $150, and I bought this months ago, and it was a different color, right? So if you watch my previous video, I think it's my part 2 living room makeover, you will see the original color of what these tables look like. It's night and day going from seeing that and then this in black. It's gorgeous. It's gorgeous, y'all. Ryan and I had a double date with my longtime best friend Sarah and her husband Zach, and we went to Ellicott City, Maryland's Cookie Crawl. And what the Cookie Crawl is, each store that is on Main Street had cookies, so we went to every single 20 stores and got different kinds of cookies that each business was giving out to the public. Alright, so we're here, it's Wednesday, and we're going on a Christmas adventure. I think this is called Manor Hill Tavern, so you lead the way. Okay. Let's go in. Y'all, I was not ready for those hills in Ellicott City. Like, there were a lot of hills, a lot of elevation, so we got a workout from this event. So but it was really fun. I had a lot of fun. We got a lot of cookies, and definitely would do this again next year if they're hosting it again. There goes Sarah. We were excited to have our cookies. After the cookie crawl, we went to this Japanese sushi place called Umi Sushi, and I tried sake, or I think it's sake, for the first time. It was absolutely delicious. Look how cool that dish is. We had a phenomenal time. Today is Friday, and we put up the stuff for outside. I'm waiting for the lights on the bush to charge. They are solar lights that I got from Target that were pretty inexpensive, and I was surprised how inexpensive they were for solar lights. So the bush, or the tree outside that's already planted in our ground, is not lit up yet, so I will be getting a shot of that tomorrow night. But we did put the lights up on there. I'm excited to see how that's going to turn out and see if it was the right idea, or if it, didn't turn out the way I expected it to. But nonetheless, I will still be showing you guys what everything looks like, how everything turned out, and I'm really, really, really excited about that. So the last thing of all that we need to put up is the tree. That will be the last thing that we have to do for Christmas. So I love how originally I was like, oh, my theme is going to be white and green, and I'm not gonna have any red. Well, you guys, my theme just kind of slowly took over itself and became like a holiday hoedown. I don't know why. I think I just forgot about all the Pinterest inspiration that I had before, but everything just kind of turned into this like farmhouse holiday hoedown, which I'm fine with. Definitely, everything still looks pretty good, but it's just funny how one idea was one thing and then it turned into another. The last thing we gotta do is put up the Christmas tree, right? It's not Christmas without a Christmas tree, so we're gonna do that right now. We just finished putting up the Christmas tree. Christmas tree, Christmas tree. I'm gonna show you guys right now. Okay. That's so pretty. That is so pretty. That is so pretty. Oh my gosh. Okay. Again, not putting any ornaments or anything like that because they will end up broken on the floor. So, oh, this is so cute. Okay. I'm in love. I'm in love.
Let's go outside, the snow is falling down and every child is having so much fun. The snowman is twice the size as me with a smile as quirky as mine. We're holding hands to keep each other warm while we stand and watch a choir performing all the Christmas songs that we love. Yeah, all the Christmas songs that we love. And in a while we're gonna go inside and drink our chocolate by the fire. 'Cause all I want is to spend this day with you. Let me give you a Christmas, a moment we'll fill with love and joy. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. I don't need any presents, as long as I spend this day with you. So beautiful, kissing on a mistletoe, baby, with you. Ooh.
Feeling alone, kinda misty, waiting now for you to come. It's cold again, but I know we'll be warm, sitting by the fire and dream. Tell me again with a whisper, little things that I wanna hear, and the stars up above are smiling when they see you holding me so near. I see snowflakes on the chimneys, and the candles have a certain glow, a secret and a song, even church bells sing along, and the children making angels in the snow. Oh, what a gift to be given. How lucky can this old heart be? And I fall into peace and silence on a very special Christmas Eve.
I was editing my video and realized I did not put an outro for this video. Thank you all again for watching and coming to my channel to see the full house tour for the Christmas season. My Decorate With Me series is all finished. So thank you guys for staying tuned and, you know, just being part of episode 1, and now we're in episode 5, so I'm definitely really happy and grateful for all of you guys. We have a lot of fun and amazing things coming soon. Definitely keeping you guys tuned for all things that are going on in my life right now, and I think I may have mentioned that wedding planning series is coming soon. It's in the works, and I have been filming behind the scenes, so you will be seeing a lot more lifestyle content coming soon, a lot more home projects that we are going to be doing that are also coming soon, so definitely stay tuned. I'm so grateful for you and love all of you guys, and just keep supporting my content, like my videos, help me out with that algorithm, that YouTube algorithm, guys. Continue to share my content so more people subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys next week. So talk to you soon. Bye.